Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can completely empty out your Dolce Gusto Mini Me. It might be useful if you're putting it into storage and you don't want water left inside that could potentially go off. So first thing we're going to do is just take off the tray here and empty it out. So get rid of everything from there. You can give it a quick little rinse. And we're going to take the capsule out. We're currently on, so turn your machine on and wait till it goes to green. Take out the capsule. And we want to empty out the water tank at the back because we want to completely drain the inside of this. So we need to empty out the back to make sure no more water comes in. That's emptied out there. Put a glass at the front here, and first of all we're going to go to the cold one here. So we're going over to the left. And now this is going to drain out the tank on the inside. There we go, and now it's gone to the middle there, and it's flashing red and green. We're now going to go over to hot. That's it. It's now gone to red and green here. So it's emptied out the inside. We can just turn it off here, unplug it, and now you can put it into storage, knowing that the inside tanks have been emptied. Thanks for watching.